Hi, in this session we are learning about tuple concept in Python. Now let us understand a tuple is a sequence of immutable Python objects. It is almost like an array or a type of list. So it has a sequence of information which is stored in it. How do we compare the tuple and the list? Tuple cannot be changed, wherein we can find the mutability modifications in the list by adding removing elements. Implementation of the tuple will be used with parentheses. List is used with the square brackets. As we find three different approaches where we can go with a tuple implementation. The first case, we are finding a tuple that has heterogenic elements. Second and third case, it has homogenic implementation of the elements. Let us find with example how do we deal with the tuple. Now here in this program, I have declared tuple as a collection of number of elemental values of homogenic type storage, where I have mentioned here stored the number of days in a week. Tuple is immutable, so there is no scope for add method over here. Hence it may cause an error. We'll use the output of list of tuple to find the output. Then the readability of tuple can be done in different approaches. The one where we can read it as a normal array type of reading, like by range. The second approach, that line number 12 to 13, where we are finding displaying the number of elements from the tuple with the support of length function from the range. If I delete the entries of the tuple, it will not be showing any more information and it will become invalid. Let us find with our example. Let us find the output of this example. Here I would like to execute Python and tuple, where we can call the output of it. The first output of line number 4 shows days from Sunday to Saturday. Then we read one by one element from the given tuple, where we can individually display the values. And the same case with the next condition, where I am displaying the values with the help of length function and range combination, where I could find it. Here I get the error at line number 17 is all because once I have deleted the tuple object, it will not be having its reference in the memory, hence it causes a failure. So once the object is deleted, will never be recovered for further initializations until and unless we reinitialize the variable. Hope the concept is clear.